Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to earn cryptocurrency risk-free on KuCoin. This method lets you grow your crypto without trading or investing money. Let's get started. First, open the KuCoin app or visit the KuCoin website and log into your account. Next, go to the Earn section from the main menu. Then, select KuCoin Earn or Promotions to see risk-free earning opportunities, such as free crypto campaigns, staking rewards, or bonuses. Now, choose the cryptocurrency offer you want to participate in and click Participate or Claim. After that, follow the instructions on screen, which may include completing simple tasks like verifying your account or completing educational activities. Finally, your earned cryptocurrency will appear in your KuCoin wallet automatically once the campaign or task is completed. That's it. Earning cryptocurrency on KuCoin without risk is easy, safe, and a great way to get started in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.